Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download Swiggy delivery app in iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Locate the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen and tap on it to open the App Store. Once the App Store is open, tap on the search icon magnifying glass located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Type Swiggy delivery into the search bar at the top. As you type, the App Store will start suggesting matches. Look for the official Swiggy delivery app in the search results. It should be listed with the Swiggy logo. Once you find the Swiggy delivery app, tap on it to open its App Store page. Then tap on the Get button next to the app icon. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm the download. After you've tapped Get, the button will change to Install. Tap on Install to begin downloading and installing the app onto your iPhone. Depending on your internet connection speed, the app may take a few moments to download and install. Once it's finished, the Swiggy delivery app icon will appear on your iPhone's home screen. Tap on the Swiggy delivery app icon on your home screen to open the app. You may need to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you can start using the Swiggy delivery app to order food, track deliveries, and more. So that's basically how you can download Swiggy delivery app in iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.